All right, good to see you, my friend. Rise and shine. Get out of bed. It is Thursday morning. We have one more day until we get to Friday, and then we can all celebrate. But let's celebrate right now because, well, it's just going to be I don't even know where I'm going with this. But anyway, let's check out what's happening in the tropics. I'm celebrating because I've got things to talk about, but may not be so good for some people here because we do have some heavy rain in the forecast for us, but heavier rain in the forecast for people up here in Texas because of Tropical Storm Harvey, and this just developed overnight. It was a tropical storm last week, then it weakened, then yesterday became a disturbance, and now it is reformed into a tropical storm expected to become a hurricane later today or early tomorrow morning and track towards Texas while we're dealing with a disturbance for us. Break this down for you in just a second. Let's talk about our current temperatures right now. 76 in Sarasota, 77 for you in Northport and Punta Gorda, 78 in Inglewood, upper 70s right now. Fair skies for the most part, but the clouds will start to infiltrate the area as we go through the day. So expect mostly cloudy skies through this Thursday, and then the rain will come in. Now, it's quiet now, but by this afternoon, another round of heavier showers and spots will take place into the early evening hours. We get a little bit of break for the overnight, and then more rain comes into Florida. And by the time this is done, and this is going to take a few days for this system to get out of here because we have a cold front to the north that's kind of sandwiching all this moisture on top of us, and it's just not moving very fast. Anywhere from maybe 2 inches around the Sarasota area to potentially 4 to 6 inches in the surrounding areas around our demographic here. So that means that we're going to pick up some much needed rain in some locations, but also just heavier rain that could cause some issues on the roadways and some other areas with maybe minor flooding. So we'll just have to keep our eye on that, but that's what we're dealing with here. The folks here in Texas are now watching what is happening in the western Gulf of Mexico with this tropical storm. This is Harvey, and it really is looking very healthy at this time. Look, there's no upper level wind shear. This is allowing the storm to blossom. It's really looking very healthy. The hurricane hunters are in here right now. And what we have here is winds 45 miles per hour. The movement is to the north at 10 miles per hour. The pressure has fallen from overnight, actually. It was over 1,000 millibars. Now it's at 995, expected to lower as this eventually could become a hurricane right before landfall in the southeast Texas by maybe later tonight or tomorrow morning. Problem, though, with this storm is it's not going to move very much. And when you're talking about a tropical storm or maybe a minimal hurricane just sitting over the same area and churning around, this is going to maybe not be the biggest wind maker, maybe not be the biggest storm surge maker, but it's going to be a huge rain producer. And just back in 2001, we had a storm, it's a tropical storm, Allison, that produced 40 inches of rain in southeast Texas and caused $9 billion of damage. This could rival that storm. So that's going to be a big problem for our friends over in Texas. All right, the beach goers, not the best beach day and not the best boating day, but if you want to go out in the Gulf, here's your forecast for at least this morning. Southeasterly winds at 10 knots, seas 1 to 2 feet with light chop in the bays. Our high today would top out around 90 degrees, but showers and storms, again, will be in our forecast not only today, but tomorrow, lingering into Saturday, maybe tapering off Sunday. Another round comes our way Monday. By early next week, though, Tuesday and Wednesday, things start to quiet down and dry out. Back to you.